Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage App Permission Manager on this device. First of all, go into Settings, then choose Apps and Notifications, click on Advanced and go into Permission Manager. Select one of the options, for example Location, click on it and choose an app. I will go with Contacts, so I have to click on them and pick one of the options, allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back, I can see that contacts gained access to my device location if I'm using them. But if you want to manage all permissions of your app, you can tap on it, click See All Maps Permissions and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!